In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to create modern landing page by HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with the help of ChatGPT. We write the command on the search box, then ChatGPT generates some lines of code. When ChatGPT will stop generating? First, let's create the basic HTML structure for our landing page. We'll need a header, a main section, and a footer. Within the main section, we'll have two sections, one for the hero image and another for the features. Check your output on your browser. Now that we have the basic HTML structure, let's move on to the CSS. We'll start by adding a reset.css file to our project, which will help us start with a clean slate. Then, we'll add some basic styles to our landing page, like setting the font and background color. Next, we'll add styles to the header, main section, and footer, making sure to center the content and set the appropriate padding and margins. Finally, we'll add styles to the hero image and features section, including setting the background image and adjusting the layout. Check your output on the browser. And that's it. By using HTML, CSS, we've created a modern landing page that's both visually appealing and interactive. Remember, landing pages are a vital part of any website, and a well-designed landing page can significantly impact your business's success. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Thank you for watching.